Hi there, it's Pete. Do a great song today, Here Comes the Rain Again by the Eurythmics. That's Annie Lennox and Dave Stewart. Absolutely brilliant team. I think back in the 80s I can remember them playing. Dave Stewart had these fancy guitars, which he could really play well. And of course, Annie Lennox was a brilliant singer, or is a brilliant singer. So Here Comes the Rain Again. Absolutely brilliant tune. So what I thought I'd do is, I haven't really researched much of the music because I know there's some harps and some major sort of instrumental bits in behind the background of Here Comes the Rain Again. So what I thought I'd do is I will do like a finger picking style. I mean, you can pick it or you can strum it. And sort of like make a bit of a quieter version of it. So it starts with an A minor. So this sort of style I'm going to do it. And an F. Like a little intro, a G, an A minor. Right, let's see if we can get through it. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open wind, I want to talk like lovers do. Want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with me? Here comes the rain again. Right, I'll give you the chords. I know on that last line I said raining with me instead of you, but never mind. Right, so here comes the rain. So what I'll do is, because this is slow, I'll try and give you the chords as I'm actually singing it. So it starts with an A minor. Here comes the rain again. An F, falling on my head like a melody. G, falling on my head like a new emotion. A minor. A minor. I want to walk in the open wind, I want to talk like lovers do. That's an F. G, want to dive into your ocean. Raining with you. So raining with you is an A minor. So now we go to the chorus. So baby is a A minor, then it's F. Talk to me like lovers do. F. Walk with me like lovers do. F, talk to me, C, lovers do. D, and the G on the end, and we stop. Let's start in A minor again now. Here comes the rain again, raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. That's a G and an A minor. A minor. I want to breathe in the open wind. In F, I want to kiss like lovers do. A G, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So now it goes back to the chords again now. So baby F, talk to me, C, like lovers do. F, walk with me, C, like lovers do. F, talk to me, like lovers do. That's a C on lovers. Then it's a G, sorry, a D and a G and a stop. Right, so that's mostly the song actually. It's what I do sometimes. I do it twice. So what I'll do is I will play through the song now, and hopefully you get all the chords. So nice little intro of an A minor, an F, a G, and an A minor. It just repeats itself now really. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open wind, I want to talk like lovers do, I want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby talk to me, like lovers do. Walk with me, like lovers do. Talk with me, like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby talk to me, like lovers do. Walk with me, like lovers do. Talk to me, like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? Right, on the very end there's like a little outro of an E minor, an F major and an A minor, and an E minor, F major, G major, and on the end, because it started on a minor, it resolved itself on an A minor again, right on the very end. So I hope that's helped you, and yeah, I just thought I'd put a bit of finger picking style to this and see what it sounded like. I think it's all right. It's a nice quiet little song to learn. Yeah, so good luck with everything, and I'll catch you again. Bye there.